I feel like it's resonated because, and I've thought about this a lot, because on one level, you know, it felt very authentic to all of us making this show, and when I was writing it, I felt like there was something truthful in this about this woman's life, this woman's pain, this woman's humour. But I think the character has such a front that was so well designed to entertain and to deflect anyone's attention. And I think people can relate to that. She's hiding so much with this real bravado, and I think especially in cities and especially women, I think, although a lot of men have said the same thing, but have this kind of outer shell of, you know, I'm absolutely fine, I can deal with this, and, you know, more than that, I can make jokes through it, and I can be knowing and clever and smart, and then feeling this kind of tremor underneath of, but I'm so lonely, and I'm so sad, and you know, I want more from the sex of my life, or I want more from the relationships with my family or friends, and that is, I think it's that. I think it's that people could see how hard she was working to hide that other people could relate to.